Hey everybody, we got a 2012 Ford Mustang Boss 302 R1. This is a factory-built Multimatic race car used in Grand Am, designed for the GS series. It also has some GT styling as well. So currently configured for HSR and showroom stock with a trunk lid spoiler and a front splitter. Grabber blue. I mean, what a color for a Ford car. So cool. The classic Boss stripes going down the center of the car, black. The hood is just fantastic. It's got the vented louvers and such, and we'll look underneath the hood in just a few. The BBS wheels, there are 3 sets of wheels for this car on wheel studs. It has just a fantastic brake package, Brembo brakes, front and rear, brand new brake kit, brand new suspension, brand new Tremec gearbox, just fresh and ready to go. Let's take a look under the hood. 2 pins, keep it nice and simple. Keep the hood on the car. Underneath, just fantastic. Cold air intake. This is an AIRAID product, custom designed. I got the Boss 302 engine. It has ignition coils on each cylinder. Catch cans and all sorts of sorting out on this car. It takes just an amazing amount of engineering to put one of these together, and no doubt this thing is everything it should be. The car has ABS brakes and big thick service history to go along with it. Up front here, it has night lights for running HSR. The classic enduro races at night. That's pretty cool. All fitted and ready to go. The car has a VBOX with OLED, up-to-date fire extinguisher system. All great race cars come with a few spares. This one's got, looks like front and rear Brembo brake rotors. Got a cool box and everything you need to run the car that way. VBOX is down here. All right, SPA fire extinguisher system, 4-liter. Electric, it looks like. It's got an Optima gel battery mounted for weight proportioning here in the cockpit. In-date Sparco seat, Sparco steering wheel, AIM dash. Like I said, the brand new Tremec gearbox. Not rebuilt, brand new. Back here at the trunk, let's take a look. Quick fill fuel cell. It's got a trans cooler right here in the back and breather. This car is in remarkable condition. A lot of fun use ahead of it. A lot of great care in the last 3 years getting it mechanically restored and raced successfully in HSR. It won a championship in 2024 in HSR as well. The Sasco American International Challenge. This car was #1. Very cool, very simple interior. Got minimalistic switches and buttons, all focused on racing. And the AIM dash gives you all the information you need. Got a radio with push to talk. Got the dual camera VBOX system, one on the driver, one straight out the front. Got the OLED display for lap times and predictive lap time. Very trick. Feels like home in here. All right, I'll see you at a racetrack soon.